Hey, I'm Sarah Goldman, Community Programs Director and Lead Field Instructor in the mountains, in the Everglades and the Outer Banks, and here to talk about some of our cooking gear and what we do with our pot sets. These are a famous piece of NCOB's equipment. They are our nesting pots and pot lids. So one lid, oh gosh, what else could be in there? Oh, another lid. Oh, and many, many pots. So we have our big pots. We call these our big pots. We have a small pot. And then if you've been on an Outward Bound course with us at NCOBs, you are very familiar with the dip cup and the infamous P38 can opener. I guarantee there's people out here listening to this right now that have opened many a tuna can with this very, very tiny P38 can opener, always handily tied to your dip cup. So these are all our pots. When we teach our kitchen class, we want folks to set themselves up for success. We use, with our younger students, we use Trangia stoves, which this is an example of one of our Trangia stoves that burn methylated spirits of alcohol. And we teach our students how to put those together with our pot stove stands. This is our little dinosaur. Rawr, rawr, rawr. And we say, hey, this dinosaur with eyeball needs to bite this dinosaur's butt. Boom. And then this dinosaur bites this dinosaur's butt. And then this one bites that one. And flip that over. Ooh, unscrew these. Boom. 2 makes 1. So if we're taking Trangias out in the field, there's 4 of those that go out with the crew. And then every time we put anything on or off the fire, we use our really fancy, extremely lightweight pot grips. Put that on there. Hope it's nice and level. Add one of these really great lids, and then wait approximately 45 minutes and your water will boil. I wish I was joking. That's our cook gear setup.